Do not use your credit card at a company that you don't even know. Sometimes, like, you may go out and they be selling something on the street. Somebody was just selling something on the street, and it was like, um, "Hey, I want you to buy this," and I was like, "I don't have any cash." "Oh no, I have a reader. You're not gonna be reading my card." So do not use your credit card or your card in general any place that you're not familiar with, because your card number can actually be stolen, and they can actually run transactions on your credit card. So make sure you guys only use it at places that you know about. Now, if you guys are outside the country, I would rather you guys use a credit card, or I would rather you guys go and take out cash and just get your money in their currency. That's what I did. When I well, actually, I used when I just recently when I the country I actually used my credit card because I feel like I had more protect. I ain't no felt I had more protection with my credit card. And when I went to Costa Rica before, I just got cash. And at that time too, I kind of dealt with some stuff with stuff going on my account, and I just didn't feel right about using my card. So I tried not to use card. I tried to use more cash at that time. And I was just trying to make sure I was budgeting more. So I used the cash. But make sure, guys, if you guys were to use your credit card, just make sure you totally know who you use your credit card with, because they can charge more on your credit card.